Hi everyone, my name is Priscilla with Creative Brain Learning, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami penguin. Did you know there are some species of penguins that can last underwater for 20 minutes? That's right. Another fun fact, penguins are black and white to help them camouflage while they swim. Penguins are black on their backs and on their wings to help them be hard to spot from above. They are white on their bellies so that they look like the sun's reflection from below. Last fun fact, there are no penguins in the North Pole. Let's get started. For this activity, you're going to need paper, scissors, and some colored pencils. First, we must turn your paper into a square. Now unfold and fold the other way. Now take one corner of your square and fold it up. Not all the way though. Taking the point of the piece you just folded, fold it down slightly. This is going to be the beak of your penguin. Now turn your paper over and fold in the flap slightly. You'll want to make sure that the length of the top part is the same. Now, fold the flaps back over slightly. These will be the wings of your penguin. Now, take the top point and fold that over slightly. Turn your paper back over and you now have the shape of a penguin. Now grab your colored pencils and color in your penguin. Question time. Are there any penguins in the North Pole? Why are penguins black and white? Last one. How long can a penguin last underwater? I hope you had fun making origami penguins with me. For more classes and videos, check out our website at cblonline.org. See you soon. Bye!